Namaste and welcome to React Bits. Today I'm here to talk about Animator Package. This is the one that I found which is simplest to create from simple to complex animations in Flutter project, and the Animator widget provided looks simple and quite powerful. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe so that I can keep making more. Now let us get on to using this package. Let us start using the Animator package. Here I have a simple demo page, a login page. The code will be provided in my GitHub repository and the link is provided in the description below. So first we need to add the dependency in our PubSpec file. So under dependencies, Animator 2.0.1 version of Animator, that is the latest version. It's getting pub. If it doesn't automatically, you can do get package here, or from terminal you can run flutter pub get. Now that we have the package, we can import it. Import Animator. First we'll look at how to make a very simple animation, for which I'm going to animate this login button. Okay, so let me wrap this with Animator, and it needs a builder. Builder gives us context, state and the child that we passed below. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to translate the login button from this side to this side. So let me try that. For that, first I need to provide a twin here. Twin double begin 0 end 1. Sorry, end 0 begin 1, because I'll be using fractional translation. So here I will return fractional translation offset state.value and 0. Okay, and this child should be child. Let me hot restart. See, our login button is animated from this side. So let us look at a bit more complex example, or let's say if we want to apply multiple animation or multiple twins to this same object, how we can do that? We are provided TwinMap. So TwinMap is a map of string twin. So here let's just give name first. Begin 0 and let's say max finite. Second, for second let's copy the, let's use the same twin. Okay, and here what we will do is, instead of state.value, what we need to do is state dot get animation and the name of the twin dot value. So this should give the same effect for now if we hot restart. See, but what I want to do is I also want to use the first twin to scale the button. So let me just scale this. To do that, inside fractional translation for the child, let us wrap it again with dot scale, and for this scale will be state dot get animation double, and the name will be first dot value. Okay, so first will scale should begin at 0 and end at 1. See, so with translation it is also scaling. If we see again, or let me just add here repeats 5 times. So if I add 5 repetitions and if I hot restart, the animation will repeat for 5 times and stop. So it's very easy to add multiple animations. We can also nest one animator widget below another, or we can nest unlimited numbers of animators so that we can run or create very complex animations. Let me just quickly add animation for this below container. So to this column, I'll wrap it with animator and simple twin begin 0 and 1, and I'll wrap this with widget opacity. Opacity will be, sorry, not the child, we need a builder for widget. Context state child, and here opacity will be state dot value, and child will be child. Let me remove this repeats and let me hot restart. See, the bottom part is fading in. So this is how easy it is to do animation with the animator widget. Now what if we want to control our animation? So in order to control animation, we can use the animator key. So let us create a animator key. In here, animator key So here I have an animator key, and what I would like to do is, let's say when I tap the login button, I want certain animation. Let's say this bottom part to fade out, and here instead I want to show the login form. Right now I'll not be adding the login form, but so what I'll do is I'll just fade out this animation. So here I'll add the key, animator key, sorry, not the key, animator key. I'll provide the animator key, and with this, so this is using opacity animation by default. If I reverse the animation, this will be hidden. So in login button, let me find the login button. In login on pressed, what I can do is animator key dot let's say controller dot reverse. So I can reverse this animation. So if I press this, I think it is not yet assigned. Let me rebuild. Okay, animator key dynamic is not subtype of animator key double. We need to pass the type. Let me pass the type here, and let me rebuild. Okay, after passing the animator key, I need to trigger on init. Let's make it true. Let me hot restart again. So it is triggered. Now when I tap the login button, this should hide, and we can use the same animator key in the another widget that we can show in place of this, but for now I'm just showing this. So you can use animator key to control your animation. So what we can do, using animator key, we can trigger animation, we can control, or we can stop animation, we can even refresh the whole animation, change the value of the animation. So here refresh animation, twin double, let's say begin will be 0.5, end will be 1, so that it will not be completely invisible. Let's update the curve, curves dot, let's say is in cubic, and let's add, let's just say we do this, and again trigger animation. So let me hot restart. It fades in from 0. Now if I press login, first it will reverse, it will refresh, and again trigger animation. So if I stop triggering animation, so it will go back to 0.5 because we refreshed the animation. So using animator key, you can have complete control over your animation, when to trigger it, even if you want to change the animation. So that is possible with animator key. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. See you again in the next video.